So let us begin with the calculation. You know the mode refers to the most frequently occurring number in a group of distribution of scores, right? Now mode may be of two types. One is called as the crude mode or the empirical mode, and the other one is called as the true mode. So when we are going to compute the mode from the on-group data, it's very easier. Suppose we have scores like 6, 77, 8, 8, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 6 and 10. Here we see 8 comes 4 times, 9 comes 2 times, then 6 comes 2 times, 7 comes 2 times, and 10 comes 1 time. So since 8 comes 4 times, this is the most frequently occurring number. Therefore, 8 will be our crude mode. We can say crude mode, and this crude mode can be calculated or can be computed just by means of having an observation. Having seen the numbers, we can easily point it out within no time that which is called as the mode, right? But when we are going to compute the true mode, right, there are two methodologies or two formulas, right? So first of all, we must understand what is meant by true mode. The true mode is the point or the peak. Peak means top, T-O-P, top, of the greatest concentration in the distribution from a group data. Where the greatest scores are there, means where the highest frequency is there, we can identify that the mode is there. There are two formula. The first formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. When median and mean values are given, or we are directed or we are instructed to calculate mean, median and mode simultaneously, means one example will be there, class interval and frequency will be given. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Class intervals and frequencies are given, and we have to calculate mean, we have to calculate median, and we have to calculate mode from the same distribution of scores. There we have to follow this particular formula, that is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, or when the scores are given. So in this example, suppose the mean of the group of the distribution of 30 students is 35 and median is 33. Find out the mode of the distribution. So here the formula is 3 into median minus 2 into mean. So we have to multiply 3 with the median is given here. 3 median means median is 33. So 3 into 33 minus 2 into 35. 35 is the mean. Therefore 99 minus 70 is equal to 29 will be our mode. This is pretty simple. But when we are only computing the mode, not the mean or the median, then we have to follow this particular formula straight away from the raw scores. समझ में आ रहा है? Raw scores means when, not the raw scores, when the group data means the class interval and frequency is being given, and straight away we have to calculate without going for calculation of these 3 median and 2 mean. So the mode will be L plus FA divided by FA plus FB multiplied by I, where L is the lower limit of the class interval having the highest frequency, FA means frequency of the class interval above it, FB means frequency of the class interval below it. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Frequency of the class interval above it means where the class interval is being plotted, highest frequency उसका ऊपर में मतलब जिस तरफ स्कोर बड़ा होगा. How we'll see? We'll see through the class interval. So when the calculation will be given, I will say, okay, and I is the size of the class interval. Now the steps for calculation is, please don't write these steps when question will come. Only steps are given for the sake of understanding. Clear? So first calculate the lower limit of the class interval having highest frequency. So we have to see, suppose take for example this example. Here the frequency are there and highest frequency is 12. Therefore, we have to plot that the mode is at the highest point or the peak point or the top point. So since 12 is the peak point, highest of the frequencies, definitely mode is here. We can write over here that mode is here. We can write over here, okay? And we have to find out the lower limit of the class interval, that is 40 minus 0.5, because the fiduciary limits being fixed, है ना? So for upper limit we have to go plus 0.5, for lower limit we have to go minus 0.5. So the formula is plus minus 0.5, 0.5. So 39.5 is our L. Then FA means frequency above the highest frequency where mode is there. Mode is here and frequency above is here. And if these class intervals will be in reverse form, then we have to take this one as the above and this one as the below. समझ में आया? Are you getting my point? Okay. So next thing is we have to find out the frequency below. Frequency below means, see, towards the bottom end there are lower scores and towards the top end there are higher scores. So on the basis of the concentration of the scores, we have to find out the FA and the FB, right? So, and I means the size of the length of the class interval, which is here 10. Follow this, 10 to 19, 20 to 29. I have already told you, right? This is in which kind of scale? This is called as interval scale of measurement, right? So in the interval scale of measurement, actually we do not have the exact what do you call it, absolute 0 point. We have an arbitrary 0 point. Yes. So because of this arbitrary 0 point, all intervals remain the same. Now finding out the mode, L is equal to, putting these values and the formula, will find out this mode value, that is 45.21. How it comes? L will be here 39.5, it is written. Then FA is 8, FF again 8 plus FV is 6 and multiplied by 10. So this results in 45.21, right? So in this way we can calculate, right, mode by two different ways for the same thing. But while calculating, we must see that whether we have been given to calculate only mode or we have to calculate mean, median and mode. If there will be mean, median and mode, then we have to go for the first formula of true mode, that is 3 median minus 2 mean, right? And if there will be only mode, right, then only we have to go for the second formula, that is L plus FA divided by FA plus FB multiplied by I. Okay. So now I am giving a task, and please calculate mean, median and mode, and also send the calculation. Thank you.